It is sunset time in Umag. 6:26 currently, and based on Google, the sunset will be at 6:27, but it is already going down. Half of the sun is down in the horizon. And I am at Umag Sandy Beach. Uh, and nobody is in the water right now, but I'm going in right away while watching the last rays of the sunset. Still 6:26 p.m. on this 11th of October, and what a wonderful way to end the day, the long day for me of traveling. And believe it or not, currently I have 43,000 steps made, and the day is not over yet. Still 5.5 hours, but I'm so glad to be able to share the sunset with you here in Umag. And the last few seconds, and the sun has set here in Umag in Croatia. But let's get into the water. This is the sandy beach, as you can see. Lots of the sand is clean only towards the very end, and it seems like it is very low tide as well currently. And it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris from Croatia, the third one. So today I have been to Dante Beach, just 20 meters away from the hostel where I'm staying, then to Stella Maris, around 1 kilometer in that direction, and now at Umag Sandy Beach. And it looks like this on the 11th of October. Out of season is the best, and I'm pretty impressed with the sand inside, as on the previous two places I have been to, it was not so great to swim because it was either big rocks or pebbles on the second one. So it's going to be a nice swim here for sure at this golden hour. Look at that, it's absolutely stunning. Beautiful sunset. What a way to end the traveling day today, being in 4 countries, starting off in Sweden, landing in Italy, then passing by through Slovenia, now in Croatia. It's insane how you can visit so many countries in Europe in one day. And yeah, a wonderful evening, wonderful sunset here in Umag, Croatia. I'm so tired. I have gotten up today at 2 a.m. so I'm really looking forward to a good night's sleep. But tomorrow I need to get up also early because I need to explore more of Umag and more beach adventures and more shorts here today. So with that said, it's time to have a swim, and here I'm gonna take one longer swim because it looks amazing after filming the vlog. And it's still nice with the rays of the sun. There are lots of hotels here that have a beautiful view over the sea, but I don't know, I don't think I will be coming here in summer because I think it is super crowded, and there are nicer places to visit, not just in Croatia but all over the Mediterranean. This is the Adriatic Sea, by the way. So let's not wait any longer, let's swim here at Umag Sandy Beach. So ready, set, and 3, 2, 1, go! Amazing. The water is 22 degrees. It is sandy bottom here, so it's perfect indeed. Definitely I saved the best for last, and being the only person in the water right now, so I'm going to continue soon with the swim. But thank you so much for watching this vlog with me from sandy beach at Umag. Plava Laguna is also the hotel complex here named. And yeah, it's time for me to enjoy with a longer swim and then head to sleep after having a meal as well. Greetings from Umag, Croatia. Pozdrav od Hrvatska, iz Hrvatske. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.